Check out this unicorn garden terrarium I received from Bright, and it is awesome. It has everything you want and more. This is perfect for little ones ages 4 years old and up. And what a cool project to watch and also learn too. Let me show you all you're going to receive. So when you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. Here is the 2-piece dome. Here is the soil starter. Also comes with 2 paintable unicorns, paintable rainbow, and a paintable castle too. It also comes with an assortment of paint as well as a couple of paintbrushes too. It also comes with these pretty gems in both pink and blue. It also comes with this beautiful glitter and wheatgrass seeds too. Perfect. It also comes with LED lights, and all you need to do is plug it in with a USB charger. How awesome is that? It also has instructions for the castle assembly and an instruction guide and ideas as well. This is going to be hours of entertainment for your little one. It's not just a one-day project because every day they're going to be able to see the wheatgrass grow. And how exciting is that? Definitely recommend it for your little one. Great for a gift for your grandchildren, children, next door neighbor. Perfect for a birthday gift, as well as the holidays too. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.